Hey everyone. So this is how an average Slack looks like, full of countless messages wanting your attention, screaming at you, and hopefully this is the solution. Hey, I'm Manish and this is Recap. Slack started off as an amazing tool, but now it has become chaotic. We want to help people manage this chaos and reclaim their time and productivity. Primarily, Recap goes through the clutter of Slack and finds exact action items for you. Let's see what all it can do. Now, this is how Recap shows you action items for the day. You can complete or dismiss a task, set up a reminder, or even add a note for future reference. You also get to see who assigned these tasks to you, as well as go to that exact conversation. You can also get a summary for the entire day, which is tailored specially to you. To stay updated with whatever happens in certain channels on a daily basis, Slack Digests to the rescue. You'll find a whole list of pending and completed tasks on the home page where you can quickly mark them as done if needed. You can also set up a specific time when you receive the action items in the digest. You can also set up which channels you want to add to the digest. Now let's test out the slash commands. This is a test channel I created with updates of whatever happens in a workday. Let's get a recap out of it. While the recap gets processed on demand, we can try adding a personal task. Just type in a normal, natural language manner. That should be processed shortly. Meanwhile, we can add a task through message shortcuts. So as you can see, now you can add a deadline to it or not. As that happens, let's see where we can find these personal tasks. You can find these personal tasks on this page, and you can even find the relevant message for this particular task that you used. So one important thing I want to share is we deeply care about your privacy and security. We store none of your messages ever, and we have created an infrastructure that ensures your data is processed in a silo just for a few minutes. We have more exciting features in the pipeline. And oh, by the way, the recap is here. You can even share it with others. Hope you like what recap can do for you.